Morning YouTube, Louie here with the best silver gold deals of Thursday, April 4th, 2024. We just had jobless claims come out and there were a few more people unemployed. However, the trend has been for people to expect fewer rate cuts as a result of the jawboning we heard yesterday from the Federal Reserve. So right now we have gold down 14.10 to 2,286.60 and silver down 20 cents at 26.92. Let's see what's going on with the GSR. GSR is at 84.75. On the 10-year, 10-year is up a little bit, but still seems to want to plateau around here somewhere. The US dollar is down 16 ticks, 104.09. So the dollar is not tracking interest rates. Something else is going on in the currency markets, weakening the dollar, which is odd considering that fewer rate cuts are being anticipated at this point. So we've got kind of a multifaceted market. What is that doing to the markets? We've got the greed index at 62. Of course, we've had a big smackdown the last couple of days. But for today, we have the Dow futures up 101, S&P futures up 17.5, NASDAQ futures up 83.5. So very much a mixed market between the dollar, the 10-year, and the price of metals. We'll have to see if the rally continues. The dollar being down should be a tailwind, pardon me, for silver. But silver just made such a gigantic move yesterday up squarely into the 27s, and we will have to see where we go today. We really need to go sideways for a while here. You know, what rockets up quickly, rockets back down quickly. So I'm still not putting my green light on. I want to see a period of consolidation in here in maybe the 26 zone would be very, very positive. I don't think we can keep going up. I think we have to have a pullback, or we have to, at a minimum, consolidate at these higher levels. But if you're watching commodities, commodities are the story, and that is why I think people are buying silver, at least in the paper market. We've got copper up to 4.226, so copper catching a bid, commodities catching a bid. And if you're watching silver and gold miners, they are just out of control. First Majestic stock was up 16% yesterday in one day. So we can take our cue from commodities, take our cue from silver and gold miners, to help us predict where the spot price will go and if this trend will continue upwards. I think we're definitely marching to 30 here, but I don't know that we'll do it today or in the next week. Like I said, I'd like to see just at least a couple weeks of sideways to let that 50-day moving average catch up to the radical move we've had in silver. I mean, if you look at $27 silver divided by 22, the most recent low, that is a 23% move in silver over the last 3 weeks. That is the power of little silver, and do not underestimate it. And we are in a once-in-a-decade move happening here, but that doesn't mean it'll go up every day. Let's get over to the deals. All the links are different and everything is shifting around this morning. But if you are buying, you can get a 1/10 gold eagle at Bold for 257.92. By the way, if you don't know me, I'm Louie. I run a website called bestsilvergolddeals.com. And as early as this morning at around 4 a.m. Pacific, Costco had the gold maples out. I sent an alert to all subscribers. Over 350 people are subscribed there. And that website is sponsored by no bullion dealers. So I'm looking for the best price all across America. And hopefully I'll find that for you, and you can take advantage of the links on the website. You can subscribe to get deal alerts whenever I see them. So do check us out over there. Okay, and if you're looking for a 1/10 gold maple, you can get that at Silver Gold Bull at 259.60. A 1/10 Britannia over at Monument Metals at 258.62. I won't go through all the golds. Let's go right to the 1 ounce gold eagle, and that is 2,346.63 at Liberty Coin. But if you got that Costco deal this morning, let's check the maple. 1 ounce gold maple. If you got the Costco deal this morning, you were paying, I think, about $23.30. I think, or $23.20 or $23.30, minus your 4% for your credit card rebate, and another 2% if you have that executive club membership, which is $120 a year. So you would have been $90 over. Well, you would have been under spot if you caught that Costco deal this morning, and a lot of people are catching them. Okay, Krugerrands you can get at SD Bullion 2,309. 0.29, $5 commemoratives, the alternative to a 1/4 ounce eagle, 558.86 at bullion exchanges. Down further in the website, you'll see how we can get all these coins, or almost all these coins, cheaper on eBay using credit card rebates. We've got a 1 gram gold at spot deal at APMEX. We've got the best 20 franc coin is over at APMEX, 436.58. And gold at spot. What's gold in assay going for? Liberty Coin 2002, 77.38. Is that under spot? Wow. Spot is 22.84 according to them, and this is 22.77. That is gold in assay. Oh, it's out of stock. Doggone it. Okay, sorry guys, I'll have to fix that. But how about this starter pack here? You can get a 1 ounce gold starter pack for $2,295 at JM Bullion if you haven't gotten that already. If you're collecting the Platinum Eagles, only for you collectors out there, $1,140.49 at Monument Metals. Better deal on eBay after rebates. Best platinum coin, I think, at the moment. If you're a believer in platinum, and if you believe in gold, I think you ought to believe in platinum too. If you believe in commodities, I think you ought to believe in platinum too. It is making a move well over $900, now about $950. You can get this for $1,052.09 over at APMEX. Okay, in the Eagle category, 1 at spot at Bullion Exchanges. Best overall price at Bullion Exchanges, 31.96 for the other 19. And if you want to buy a quantity of 20, 31.14 for a tube of 20 at Pinehurst Coins. Those were $29 a couple days ago. What was the... was that 31.96? Yeah, so Pinehurst will still have a much better deal than Bullion Exchanges for a full tube. If you want lightly used, 1 or 2 in a flip, 31.03 at Silver Gold Bull US. And copper prices are surging, commodity prices are surging, metals and miners are surging if you want to play that game on the momentum. I hold a basket of miners, and in the chat room a few days ago, I posted the silver and gold miners that I invest in a very small amount of money in, because you can lose a lot of money really fast in gold and silver miners, but they are on a run. I still have the yellow light on. I'm sorry, I said I would turn it green, but I want to see what happens on the pullback here. You can get 1 silver maple at Bullion Exchanges for spot. Best overall price at Bold at 30.18. Good price on silver maples there, not too much over spot, but we'll beat that on eBay. Okay, and Britannias are also going to be in that 30 range. Oh, 29.75 Monument Metals for a Britannia, brand new 2024. Are the Roos in the 29s? No, they're over 30, so that Britannia is the better deal. Philharmonics ought to be the cheapest of the premium silver coins, but that Britannia is cheaper than 29.93, so I would get that. I'd probably get the maple, tell you the truth. Here is the deal that we showed you over at Costco this morning. It's still in stock, guys, if you want this. $23.30, take your rebates off, and you will be just chilling with gold under spot this morning. You could literally sell that back to JM Bullion for more than you paid, or to your local coin shop. In the constitutional category, I don't know if it wants to go up or go down here. We got premiums decreasing in the silver market due to an abundant supply of silver in the aftermarket. But we have Silver Eagle premiums increasing. Usually junk moves with eagles. I think you'll see the junk start to move if this movement, this bullish movement in silver and gold continues. Right now, it's still pretty reasonable considering the spot price. Okay, 207.42 for a tube of Franklin's if you want to go upscale. And we have a 10-ounce bar at spot. Here's a hieroglyphics bar, is now 288 even over at Bold Precious Metals. Let's keep going. Various bars in the 28s. The best Buffalo price, I think, is still at Kazoo Bullion, 28.56. A tube of 20, 28.46. So about $1.50 over spot there, unless silver keeps going down today. Engelhard has gotten much pricier. The Kazoo 3-ounce bar is still a great deal considering where spot is. And the 1-ounce Coke bars you can get at Monument Metals at 30.27, but we have a cheaper deal over on Walmart on that. Okay, over on eBay, here is a one-off listing from a seller I do not know, but he's got a tube of 20 Silver Eagles for $609. If you do the math on that, 609 divided by 20 equals 30.45 times 0.97. If you have the PayPal card that I recommend, you'd be out at 29.53 on Silver Eagles. I'd consider those circulated, but he says they're pretty good. Best overall price is $630 for a BU tube, extra rebate supply if you buy multiples. So, well, you can do the math, get your 3% or 4% or 5% off if you have some of the other deals. Best maple deal is $755. Let's do the math on that. 755.31 divided by 25 equals that times 0.97 at least with the PayPal card, and you'd be at 29.30 out the door, which is 250, about 250 over spot, something like that. Okay, I won't go through all the deals. Here's another deal on Krugerrands, a one-off deal from a seller I do not know, but he's got these at $740 for a tube of 25. 740 divided by 25 times 0.97 if you use your rebate card or more, and you'd be at 28.71 on Krugerrands if you like that deal. Here is the Coke bar, is now $2.89. They raised it $10. I would absolutely get that Coke bar if you like fancy silver in your stack. Okay, here is a deal on Buffaloes, $5.72 for a roll of Buffaloes. How cheap can we get that? $5.72 divided by 20 times 0.97, and we can get you down to 27.74, about $1.75 over. The YouTube coin shops are beating all generic deals these days, so we'll look at them later in the video. They're having sales almost every day. My favorite is Vermilion. I just got to say that. It's Vermilion. There won't be any surprises. He ships everywhere. He's got great sales tax rules. He takes Zelle. That's my favorite. I'm just telling you. Okay, my 100-ounce silver round Buffaloes, $28.57. Get about $80-90 off there. You'd be about $1.50 over spot for 100 silver Buffaloes. The Sunshine Mint rounds are more expensive. Okay, here is an underspot deal if you want to go for the cheapest silver. If you just got to buy silver and you want to get it at spot, this is the way to do it. A 1-ounce kilo bar, BGASC random design kilo bar. They will never give you the Sunshine Mint bar. I've tried, not gotten it. $8.99.28. So check this out. 899.28 divided by 32.15 equals 27.97 times 0.97 equals, there it is, 27.13. Okay, it's not under spot at this point this morning, but it's not going to get much cheaper than that unless you go to your coin shop. And but if you go to sell it, it's going to be $2 back a spot they're going to offer you at JM Bullion or SD Bullion. Your coin shop might give you 50 cents under spot, but it's the cheapest in and the cheapest out, I think, if you're looking for silver and you haven't bought any yet and you just got to buy. Coronation coin is still great price for collectors, and the Liberty Platinum Eagle, $11.59, and then take $40 off. You'll be under market on that Platinum Eagle if you collect those. Okay, in the 1/10 ounce Eagle category, these have all changed. 265.23 minus at least 3% there. Half ounce Gold Eagle, 1242.41 from BGASC. Take your rebates off that and get it under market. And the 1 ounce Gold Eagle is 23.75. So 3% off there would be about $70. You'd be at 2,300 even on a Gold Eagle. Not much over spot, actually, if you do that. And we've got cheaper prices on the Britannia. The $5 commemoratives are very popular. $561.59 for a $5 commemorative, a little less than a quarter ounce of gold, but U.S. sovereign gold, and way cheaper than a quarter ounce Gold Eagle. There's some cheaper listings from people I don't know and don't trust, but you might be able to suss out a cheaper $5 commemorative deal. If you're looking for an auction to bid on, this is a 2001 Capitol Visitor Center commemorative set where you're going to get the $5 commemorative. You're going to get a $1 silver coin from the U.S. Mint worth about $20. So you're going to get a pocket piece or something to give away. So generally when you bid on these, and they're going for more these days, but people are getting some good deals. I've seen some people get some of these sets at $5.50, and you're pretty much getting the gold under market, especially after rebates. Then you're getting a free silver, so that is how I would do it if I had to buy gold today. Other deals, let's see, the 20 franc Helvetica, $4.45 on eBay minus rebates. That'd be a much better deal than the bullion dealers. Here's a quarter ounce maple, $620.59. And what are they selling the Noble for? Oh, yeah, good price on the Noble. $10.45, take $30, $40 off of that. You'd be at $1,000 out the door for a Platinum Noble. I thought there was another 20 franc here, but there isn't. Okay, and here is the eBay deal, 3.33% cash back. Here are the Rakuten deals, 1% cash back on eBay today, and much more other places like PetSmart, etc. Here is the PayPal card, 3% cash back on eBay. Also works at the U.S. Mint and also works on Walmart if you want to pick up some Walmart deals. And here is spot deals, which you guys know about. The Luna and the Lion bar is going out of sight. So we may have missed that move, but you can still pick one up if you just gotta. Here's the Coke bar you can pick up on Walmart. 154.35 for 5, puts you at 31 an ounce. Take your 3% off, you'd be back down to about 30. If you got the 5% Capital One Walmart card, that will take you to in the 29s. I picked up 10 of these the other day with some kind of crazy deal I had. I got 13% off. And if you want to look for Silver Eagles, a gentleman asked me to post, which I did on the website, on the chat room, that he is picking up Silver Eagles. Silver Eagles 20, I think it's a 20 tube. He's picking them up on Walmart for, let's just, come on, Rakuten, go away. Rakuten doesn't work on Walmart for precious metals. Remind me later. Okay. Let's see what the lowest price is on Eagles. He said he was getting them from Pinehurst. So I do, here's one out of stock. 626, 642, 626, 619 out of stock. Looks like 626 is about the cheapest offering from bullion.com. Okay, we know them. And let's see, 626. Let's see, 626. 626 divided by 20 equals 3130 times 0.95 with the Capital One Walmart card equals 29.73 out the door. If you got that 5% cash back, they may or may not charge you sales tax on that. Okay, going back to where was I? Kookaburras are kind of pricey. Here's the best kilo at Bullion Exchanges, 902, but we beat the hell out of that deal on eBay. And there's a 100-ounce bar. The Libertads are 35.11 now for the BU 2023 Libertads. We still have the Morgan at 33.99, 1921 BU Morgan, and the Peace Dollar 30.99. Gotta buy those. Gotta buy those. Okay. And 1-ounce silver rounds. I already showed you the Kazoo teal. The Mustang is going for $5.77. Oh, a little under 29 an ounce now. How about the 1-ounce silver bars? Those are at Bold, and they are 29.22. Ouch. Here are the coin shops. Here's Vermilion. This is Minot, and this is Coin Huskers. So do check them out. These guys don't necessarily ship everywhere because the reason is there are some states like mine that have such oppressive sales tax rules that they will literally go and hunt these guys down and audit them from California if they don't charge the right sales tax, and it's just a pain in the butt. So just keep that in mind. Sponsor of the website, newretirement.com. Get over there and please check them out because I'm doing this all at no charge to you guys. And this is an affiliate link for me for New Retirement. You have a 2-week free trial, and then it will do you good over the rest of your life as you plan your retirement. Don't ignore retirement, guys. Gixxon Sniper Tool works great on auctions and various deals. Here's the Capital One card if you want to check that out. But honestly, I've had so many complaints about getting charged sales tax that I can't fully recommend it. So you just have to take your own chances on that, and do not press buy if they charge you sales tax. Here's the Quicksilver card. This one I do highly recommend. 1.5% cash back, $200 bonus for signing up. And then we've got these eBay kicker deals. Like today, it's 2%. A couple days ago, it was 4%. If you want to go way back, it's been as high as 10%. And I believe it works on precious metals. So right now you'd get 3.5% cash back if you use that combo, or when it goes to 4%, you'd have 5.5% cash back. Or if you try to link this with another card, like the PayPal card, you could be at 7% or 13%. So Capital One plus the eBay plus the extra rewards. Sorry if I was confusing there. Okay, and anything new in the chat room? What's going on, guys? Oh, flash sale. Okay, Minot's got a flash sale. His pricing is complicated at $1 per ounce over, so you guys figured that out. And oh, here's something I bought yesterday. I forgot to show you guys. And oh, somebody else bought it. But I picked these up at $2.80 because I used my discounts, and I got 10 of these Stagecoach deals. I posted this in the chat. It wasn't worth doing an alert to you guys, but these are divisible Stagecoach bars, and I got 10 of those, so I was very happy about that. That's all I have for you, but let's go back and check spot price. A few more people out of work this morning, so let's see if that helped anything. Gold 22.88, so shy of that 2300 mark. Silver down 27. Looks like we want to correct today. We won't check the GSR just now, but the 10-year is down on weaker employment. We have the dollar down with currency market fluctuation and weaker employment usually leads to lower rates. However, people are expecting higher for longer. You figure it out if you can. So, and what are the stock futures doing? We've been going down quite a bit, so I think we're ready for a rally. Oh, I missed the stock futures. I think we're ready for a rally in the futures in the stock market. A little bounce here as we work our way down, in my opinion, but I'm dissenting here. Let's see. So we've got, yeah, the Dow's up 190 now, and S&P up 31, and the Nasdaq up 153. And I'm not sure what commodities are doing, but definitely going to be an interesting market. Looks like we want to consolidate in markets today, so act accordingly, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for everything, and I do appreciate a thumbs up. And if you'd like to share me on social media, I don't do any real posting on social media. I hate Facebook. I will not have an account there. But if you want to post me on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, or anywhere you want to post me, I would greatly appreciate that, and join the growing community. The more the better, because you guys tell me and I tell you about the great deals. And isn't that the way a community should work? Not trying to rip each other off, just trying to find the best deals and helping each other. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and good luck in the markets.